Unraveling the Phrases, Cycle Day. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, cycle day. You might have heard it and wondered what it really means. Let's get started. Cycle day is a combination of two words, cycle and day. 1. Cycle refers to a series of events that are regularly repeated in the same order. In many contexts, it's often related to a recurring process or a period. 2. Day. A period of 24 hours, typically from one midnight to the next. When you put these words together, the term can have multiple interpretations based on the context. Let's look at those next. 1. Menstrual cycle context. One of the most common uses of cycle day pertains to the menstrual cycle. It's used to refer to a specific day within a woman's menstrual cycle, which typically spans 28 days, though it can vary. For example, cycle day 1, CD1, is the first day of menstruation. 2. Educational setting. In schools with rotating schedules, a cycle day might refer to a specific day in a repeating schedule. For example, if a school has a 6-day rotating schedule, they might refer to them as cycle day 1, cycle day 2, etc. 3. Other contexts. The term can be used in any context where events or processes repeat in a cyclic manner. For instance, in a manufacturing setup, cycle day could refer to a specific day in a production cycle. 1. Today is cycle day 5 of my menstrual cycle. 2. Homework for math class is due on cycle day 3. 3. The factory completes its cleaning process on every cycle day 7. And that's a wrap on the phrase, cycle day. Whether you're discussing biology, school schedules, or any repetitive process, understanding this term can help enhance your English comprehension and conversation skills. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next one.